Chicken, okra, tomatoes, beautiful spices. This doesn't take any time at all. You've got yourself there a lovely little stew. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at this. Really simple but really delicious. So the chicken there is a 1 kg chicken, which is 2.2 pound. Skin is on, bone is in, cut it into pieces. Okra here, or bindi or ladies' fingers, whatever you call that. These are a little tiny short one. Now I'm using a frozen one. You use fresh if you want. Now these are tiny. These are called Okra Zero. There's a number for the size of them. If you're using the long ones, just chop them up as you want. 1 can, regular sized can, like a 400 ml can of tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato. Just squeeze that and mix that up with my hand. 2 tablespoons here of garlic. I'm really going for the garlic today, chopped garlic. 1 cup of onion. And in here I've got 4 powders and spices, 1 teaspoon each. We've got chili powder, sweet paprika, cumin and oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add salt and pepper. It's delicious. Let's get moving. So I'm starting off with about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Use a different oil if you want. What we're going to do is we're going to get our chicken straight in. We're on a medium heat. I've just put that on. So the chicken goes in. 1 kg, 2.2 pounds, cut into pieces, skin on, bone in. We're going to go for about 6 minutes medium heat. Let's get some nice color onto our chicken. Really, really easy and simple, this one. It's really delicious. So we've got a nice bit of color onto the chicken there. Next up, we're going to go in with 1 cup of onion. We're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. That's up to you how much you want to put in. Some black pepper, nice couple of big pinches for me. I'm also going to add in the chopped garlic. And we're going to go for about 4 more minutes now. This is going to be incredible. Next up, let's get the okra in. And like I say, I'm using this very small one called Zero. If you're using the longer ones, you can cut it to any size that you want. 3 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. We're now going to add in 1 can of tomatoes, regular size can, 400 ml type. Like I said, that was a whole plum. Crushed it up with my hand. And let's get our spices in. So we've got a teaspoon each. Chili powder, sweet paprika, or smoked paprika if you want. Don't put hot paprika in because you're going to be putting double the amount of chili basically. Cumin, oregano. We're going to turn the heat down, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to let this go now for 7 or 8 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then. You've done it. Well done. Delicious stuff. That looks fab. Off goes the heat. You've done it. Check that for salt and pepper. If you want, get some fresh chilies in there. Give it extra spice. Or maybe some cilantro or coriander chopped in for me. That's beautiful. And there you have it. Beautiful. That's great just with some white rice. Keep safe, keep well. Please take time to give me a thumbs up. Do leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and all that stuff. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.